Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to play games on Snapchat. First, you have to launch your Snapchat application, but before that you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Snapchat. Now go to your profile, the human icon here, tap this one. Now if you go to your home feed or your chat box, you cannot see an option there that says play games on Snapchat. Now what are we going to do now is to go to your settings. Okay, tap this gear icon here and you have to scroll down and look for the option I need help. Okay, that is under support. So I think you have to scroll down, not to the very bottom, but you have to scroll down and just look for the option that says support. And under that, you can see I need help. Okay, so once you're here, all you have to do is to search for play games or games. Okay, tap this magnifying glass and then search for games and then games on Snapchat. So unfortunately, you can see here games are no longer available. So all you have to do is to wait for the feature to come back or message Snapchat support team and ask them how to get back that feature again, or is there any possibility to have that games on Snapchat again. The customer service team will just respond and tell you what to do, and all you have to do is to follow the instruction. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.